Your wallet is finally breathing a huge sigh of relief today. Think about all those monthly fees stacking up just so you can ride a bike in your living room. Most people assume you have to pay a premium for a high-end virtual cycling experience, but there is a massive player in the game that costs exactly $0. It is called MyWhoosh. This platform is making some serious waves because it offers the kind of deep features you usually only see behind a paywall. I'm talking about immersive worlds, structured training plans, and even competitive races with actual prize money on the line. That part is wild. You can jump into the Sunday Race Club and fight for a podium spot without ever opening your credit card app. It runs on pretty much everything: your phone, your tablet, your computer, or even that little box connected to your television. The graphics are surprisingly sharp too. You get these massive, detailed environments that keep your eyes busy while your legs are screaming. But here is the catch. Since it is free, you have to expect a few rough edges. Riders often report that the app can be a bit temperamental. One minute you are cruising through a digital desert, and the next the screen freezes or the app just closes entirely. It can be frustrating if you are in the middle of a personal best attempt. There are also these mandatory updates that are absolutely huge. You cannot just hop on and ride if a new version is out. You have to wait for a massive download first. Some people find the virtual shifting a bit clunky or slow compared to the big names in the industry. Heart rate monitors also seem to have a mind of their own sometimes, dropping out right when you need that data most. If you can handle those technical quirks, the setup is actually straightforward. You download it, create your profile, and head straight to the pairing screen. It talks to your smart trainer or your sensors using standard wireless connections. If you have a fancy trainer, the app takes control of the resistance to mimic the hills on your screen. Even if you only have basic sensors, you can still get in on the action. Just make sure your sensors are not already hogging a connection to a different app on your phone. That is a classic rookie mistake that leads to a lot of headaches. You can tweak your screen layout and mess around with the virtual gear settings to make it feel more natural. At the end of the day, this is a massive gift for anyone who wants to save cash. It might not be as polished or as stable as the expensive competition, but the price is impossible to beat. If you are a beginner or a veteran cyclist looking to cut costs, it is worth the occasional technical hiccup just to keep that extra money in your pocket. It is a bold new world for indoor training where the barriers to entry are finally falling away. The sheer variety of routes is enough to keep you busy for months. You can explore futuristic cities or winding mountain roads. The developers are constantly adding new content to keep things fresh. This is not just a cheap knockoff. It is a serious tool for fitness. You can import your own custom workouts or follow a plan designed by professional coaches. The level of detail in the training metrics is impressive for a platform that asks for nothing in return. You see your power numbers, your cadence, and your heart rate all layered over a vibrant landscape. It makes the time fly by when you are sweating through a hard interval session. Sure, you might have to deal with a weird glitch every now and then. Maybe your rider gets stuck behind a virtual rock or the connection drops for a second. But when you consider that you are getting a world-class training environment for the price of a few clicks, those small annoyances start to feel much less significant. It is about democratizing fitness. It allows anyone with a bike and a basic trainer to join a global community. You are riding alongside people from all over the planet in real time. That social element is what makes indoor cycling actually fun. If you have been on the fence about trying a virtual platform because of the cost, this is your sign to jump in. It is accessible, it is growing, and it is totally free.